Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. I love having unique boho style pieces all over my house, and this one is just so beautiful. This is a throw pillow case from COZYDEKO. This is the 18 by 18 size, and I am just so impressed with this pillow. I think it is so fun. It has so much about it that is just so different and unique, from the corner tassels to the different areas with the tassels on the front. I love all the different textures that are going on here. I especially love this white bubbly part right in the center. These little pieces are so soft, and I just think they're just such a neat extra little touch. And I really appreciate how sturdy this pillow is. It feels like it is going to last a really long time. So if you have kiddos or animals that are throwing your pillows around or laying on them, you don't have to worry about this pillow. I think it's going to be like a really heavy duty sturdy pillow. I love the zipper that is on the back and how it is underneath a little zipper flap so that you don't have any unsightly zippers sticking out. I really love this pillow from COZYDEKO. I think they have done an amazing job with this. I think it is super high quality, and I am so happy to have this piece in my living room. So I think that you should definitely get this too if you are looking for a fun boho pillow for your house. This one is perfect, and that is my point of view.